So I definitely haven't said what I was going to be doing today. Basically, I'm just at my old house where I used to live. Good old. So yeah, I'm here where I used to live, and I have to let cleaners in because obviously we've all moved out. And the place needs to be cleaned so that we can get our bond back. So that's what I'm doing today. Why don't I just show you around since I don't live here anymore, pretend like I just bought this house and that it's empty. So here we have one room. Wow, nice. And then we have the other room. Wow, really nice. And then we have my room. Wow, really nice. The bathroom. Oh my god, amazing. Look at that living room, and there's a kitchen here too. And this is all the mail that we had in the mailbox, and none of it, not a single letter is for me. So, no one wants to write letters. What the f is that? Bro, I just found a Christmas decoration on the ground. Update, guys. It's been 10 minutes and the cleaners are not here, so I'm just gonna have a dance party, and I hope that's okay with you. I know that I'm coming tonight. This is like guilty pleasure banger. And the way that she walks, I can't hide it. If I said I don't like it, I'm lying. My backyard was a car park for businesses that are next door, so everyone probably just saw me doing that because we have big windows there. Do I care? Like a little bit, I do, but not enough to stop. Maybe I should do a quiz. Okay, so I just found one, and it's who is your YouTube bestie? So let's do it. What? I got Zoella. Yes! Sorry, just got a bit excited there because Zoella, you know, we'd be great, Zoe and Zoe. Today's challenge video. I was just about to get inside there, but it's really dirty, so I'm not going to do that. Maybe I'll go on the other side. Well, there's drawers there, so. As you can tell, the cleaners still haven't arrived. Is today even Monday? Am I even here on the right day? So before, when I was saying that the cleaners weren't here, it was kind of a joke. It wasn't that alarming. It was like 20 minutes, but it's been an hour now, and they're not here. And I don't want to be here, so. And it's the right day. I didn't screw up my days.
We're here to help you with your move in and move out planning.
Oh my god. Okay, so the cleaners are not going to be here for another 2 hours. Just trying to be positive. On the bright side, I've wasted half of my day. I'm just kidding. I'm not though. Here's an OOTD though. This is an old top that I thrifted about 4 years ago. It's just a 3/4 thing, blue thing. These are new. They're from General Pants because I got a gift voucher from my dad for Christmas. So thanks, but they're not pants at all. It's a skirt. It's definitely a skirt. And then we're wearing some Connies. Yep, that's a good stance. Zoe, good job. And this smile is just from my positive outlook on life today. This is where I'm studying next year. Well, I only hope that I can be good enough to get in. You know, you definitely, this isn't even my room. This is strange. I thought this was my room, but it's not. Yes, that place was pretty vibing, pretty good. I'd give it like 4 vibes out of 5 vibes. I only managed to waste an hour. Now I'm back here. I still have an hour until they're coming. So I don't really know what I'm gonna be doing. And now welcome to my bathroom where I'm gonna make a song on this app that I have. It's a looping app. Yeah, no idea what I'm gonna do. Let's just go. that you've wanted to do for so long, but you put them all. And you could be all the things that you wish you were, but you never tried to hide to live the way you want. Hide to live the way you want. When you go outside, you do a really big sigh, 'cause you hate the things that you see and the people that you meet. Well, I've got news for you. You could just not go outside and live inside your house forever, 'cause that's what houses are for. Back to the chorus now. To live the way you want it. And if you really tried hard, I bet you could buy a brand new car or have a child with someone you love. And if you really want my opinion, well, I don't have one, 'cause I don't know you and you don't know me. But do what you want, live how you like, be friends with the people that you like, and don't try to waste your life on gambling, 'cause that's bad. This is a song about doing what you want and being who you want to be, and all that other uplifting shit. Thank you for listening. Bible no more, don't leave it like I did. I don't know the words, and I'm sorry, my Corey. Could it be you? Blame it on the flame and on the hame and on the violence ever had him as supposed to do. Believe it or not, I thought I knew the words to this song, but I don't. I don't know shit. I'm really, update, the cleaners still haven't arrived. Okay, so I'm home now. I've changed my shirt because it was really hot. But also because I'm about to film a video that you guys will see next week. I'm really excited about it. It's music related, but it's not something that I've done before. If you watched this far, thank you very much. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Bye.